Welcome to netvn channel. In this video I show you how to collaborate on Microsoft Word 365. This is my Microsoft Word file. I save it to the OneDrive cloud first. I need to save it to the cloud so that the collaborating people can access it over the internet. This is very useful when working in groups where many people collaborate on a project. 2 or more people collaborate on a Microsoft Word file anywhere at the same time. In this video there are 2 contributors on a Microsoft Word file, Steve Rogers and Tony Stark. After Steve saves the Word file to the OneDrive cloud, he shares it with Tony. Tony can then contribute on the Microsoft Word file shared by Steve. Microsoft Word file has been shared successfully by Steve. We'll go to Tony's computer. Here I use the intranet, but you can fully access the file shared over the internet because the file is saved in the cloud OneDrive. On Tony's computer, he opens the Microsoft Word application. Tony finds files shared with him. Here Tony knows that Steve is using this file and both are editing it at a time. Next I'll show you what happens when Tony and Steve collaborate on a Microsoft Word file. When Steve edits, the edit information Tony will see it immediately. Edits are automatically saved when you save the file to the OneDrive cloud. If you want to know what others have edited to a shared Word file, you should enable change tracking. Like this example, Tony will edit the data that Steve has just updated. Steve will know what Tony edited and make the decision to apply it or not to apply it. He agrees with Tony and applies the changes. In addition, they can exchange work by creating comments on Word files. It's almost like a chat app. Above are the basic steps for 2 or more people to collaborate on a Microsoft Word file at a time over the internet. This is useful when working in groups and hopefully it works for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Once the work is done, Steve removes Tony from the shared list and edits it to avoid unwanted changes.